Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you some goodies from Madam Glam. They sent me over this box and I'm so excited to show you. These are some products from the Green Gaia collection, which is their April collection, and it is inspired by World Earth Day. They also threw in a builder gel that I cannot wait to show you guys. So I'm going to start off with the pinks. This is Lotus Fever, and this is what you call a baby pink. So it is just a pure pastel baby pink. Absolutely gorgeous. I've already used this on 2 clients and it is 2 coat coverage. So I do 2 coats of this and then show you the end result. And next up onto another lovely pink. This is the core. So this is a darker pink. It is definitely not a baby, definitely not a cerise pink, but it is somewhere in the middle. And this is the type of colour that I feel like is going to be so popular with clients. In my experience, when clients don't know what they want, if they've no nail inspo, they always reach for pinks and nudes. So I'm kind of learning in my years of being a nail tech that you need to have loads of pinks and loads of nudes. And this one is very, very pretty. Next up, we have Sahara Dunes. And this one is like in between a peach and a pink. I felt when I took it out that it was very like Autumn Aura for one of their winter collections. But then I do a comparison at the end of the video to show you. But when I pulled it out, I did think it was very like that, but it is not really that close to it. This is stunning. I feel like this as a base colour with colourful daisies or florals would be so pretty. If you had a couple of nails, just block colour of this and then nice artwork on the other nails with loads of colour. I think it would be so stunning as a backdrop kind of a colour too. So yeah, this is 2 coat coverage as well. Madam Glam is either 1 or 2 coat coverage in my opinion. I've never had a Madam Glam that I've had to do 3 coats of. They're just so opaque. Say that in every video, but it's so true. Next up we have the Persian Sea, and this is a periwinkle blue / purple. So this is 1 coat coverage. You'll see here, I only do 1 coat. There's definitely only one need for 1 coat. And I'm going to insert a video of a client's nails that I actually use this colour on during the week. So I did use Lotus Fever and this colour so far, and I'm very impressed with them. And I'm going to insert the video now. She came in with gorgeous inspo. Here they are. And she was really, really happy with them. And I love them. They're so pretty. Love these ones. Now this is a no wipe top coat, and it's one of their no wipe top coat that has little bits of glitter and shards in them, and I had to get this when I saw it because I'm so tempted by these top coats all the time. Whenever I see them I always choose them, but this is Lotus Fever on a little swatch stick, and I'm just going to put this on over that so you can get a good representation of how it's going to look when you put it over a colour. So if you remember the Easter box from Madam Glam, they had one as well called Bunny's Freckles. This is very similar to that, but the colours in it are different, but the texture and the viscosity of the actual top coat is the same. This is how it looks over a colour, and it's very self-leveling. I've just turned it over there so you can see it does self-level. It needs a few seconds to self-level, so take your time with it, but it does self-level lovely. And then we have the builder gel. So I am going to do a full builder gel tutorial with this. So I'm going to make this its own video, but I'm just going to open it here and show you because I need to do my own nails first of all, and second of all, I've been using builder gel from a pot lately on my own nails, so I cannot wait to try this. I'm so excited. Just opening it up to show you the colour, and then I'm just kind of turning it on its side to see how runny it is. So it does seem to run a little bit, but not too much. So I cannot wait to try this out. I'm so excited. So that is going to be my next video. So definitely subscribe if you want to see more like this. And then I'm going to just show you the swatches all together at the end. Here they are. The lighting was a little bit darker here, so you can probably tell some of the colours look a bit darker, but that was only the lighting. Now for the last bit of the video, I'm going to show you some comparisons. On the left was Sahara Dunes and on the right was Autumn Aura, so you can see they are nothing alike. And then I just compared the Persian Sea to Glitter Bells Martini Please. So Glitter Bells is on the right and the Persian Sea is on the left. And they are very, very similar, but the Persian Sea is 1 coat coverage and the Glitter Bells one is actually close to 3. So I think I'll be sticking with Madam Glam's one. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.